So integral 0 to pi, definite integration. So square root of 2, if I taken common, 2 into 1 plus cos theta. This is short answer question. So integral 0 to pi square root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta equal to what? From trigonometric identities, 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, this is d theta. This equal to what? Integral 0 to pi root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. 2 I will take, and cos square theta by 2, root cos square theta by 2. I will not write this step. I will write 2 into root cos square theta by 2 and 2 square will get cancelled, and cos theta by 2. d theta. This is equal to what? 2 times integral cos theta by 2. Integral cos theta equal to what? Sin theta by 2. And theta coefficient is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 I can write in denominator. Okay. Integrals. Here we need not write plus c, because already limits are mentioned. Integral 0 to pi. This is equal to what? 2 into 2. Denominator 2 will come into numerator 1 by 2, because so sin theta by 2 is what? Integral sin theta, integral cos theta by sin theta by 2. So sin theta by 2, sin pi by 2. Theta is what? Pi. Sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. This is equal to what? 4 into sin pi by 2 is what?